Hello, I welcome you to this basic Excel video tutorials. Introduce Excel to you in this video tutorial. If you open Microsoft Excel 2016 on your computer, you will be directed and view different templates, suggested templates. There are many others we have suggested such as business, personal, planners, trackers. Let us click on charts. If you click on charts, it will be directly online. You will search online and you will have different templates. So you can pick one and edit it. You can pick one and edit your Microsoft Excel template. For me, let us come to home to search for blank workbook. I'm going to click on blank workbook, and this is what Excel looks like. My Excel has some features which are similar to Microsoft Word. For instance, quick access toolbar, workbook name, and tabs. We have some parts, some features which are similar to Microsoft Word, but not all. For us, we are going to be introduced to some basic skills, basic knowledge about Excel. We have page layout, formulas, and insert, but some are advanced and intermediate. For us, let us look at cell, column, row, and range. What do we call by cell? What do we say by cell? Cell is, for instance, this is cell has a name. You see, we have A, B, C, D up to many letters. We have numbers 1, 2 in increasing order. So when we say a cell, this is cell and it is named as F5. How do you name it? We see the section of row and column. This is the column and this is the row. If we say F5, it means it is the intersection of the row and the column. So now we have F5. It is directly shown in this box. So how do we say range? A range is defined as is defined as a group of cells. For instance, this is a range, this is a range, this is a range, this is a range. A range is a group of cells. How do we read a range? A range is read as, for instance, E4 through H11. When you say E4, you will drag from E4 up to H11. Then this is our group of cells. Then, for instance, you want to insert the text, the records in your cell. You click in a cell and start typing automatically. For instance, you want to write list of students. List of students. When you want to move down, you click enter. When is moving down when you click enter, or when you want to move up, you click shift enter. You are moving up. When you want to move to the right of the cell, you click tab. When you want to move to the left of the cell, you click shift tab. When you want to use keyboard, you can also use up, down, and right and left keyboard keys like this. So that's how you can move from one cell to the other. So then in cell, when you want to type in a cell, there is what you call in the cell and on the cell. Now we are on the cell. We are on the cell. We want to be in the cell. You double click. To be in the cell, you double click. When you are on the cell, you click. You click once. When you want to be in the cell, you double click. You double click. Double clicking enables you to edit the text inside the cell. For instance, I want to write list of students of senior 2 students. Senior 2 students. Now I'm able to edit the text inside the cell because I am in the cell. So you automatically enter, you click enter. So now you can move to the cell below. You can ask yourself, why is the text too long? Why does it overlap other cells? Don't bother. It's okay. What you do, you only click on the next cell and type whatever you want. No matter how long it is, each cell has its own text. Then Excel is about details. Is about details. You have to pay attention to the details. For instance, here we have written list of senior 2 students. You want to maintain its size. You take your cursor and bring it into between 2 cells, between two column, and you have this icon which is like close, and then you increase the width. You see, we have our cell, which is proportional to the text you have in the cell. So it's better you learn how to increase the size of the width. So the same as to the low, you bring your cursor between 2 lows, and then you increase the height or you decrease the height. It's up to you. So that's how we increase or decrease the size of the cells. Then give me some time to add the details, the records, and we keep learning. Then our personal budget is here. So let us say salary is 56,000. Then ticket is 5,000. Airtime is 3,000. Then electricity bills is 7,000. Water bill is 2,000. Tax is 15,000. Income is 80,000. Let us say we have our data here as such. Then let us see, we have electricity bills and you have personal budget. It has overlapped the second column. Then how do we make a single cell from this long text? What we do is just putting the cursor between 2 low and then dragging to increase the width. After this, you see it changes the whole column. The width of all the cells in this column in this column, it has become big. Then how do we merge cells? You see, we select these cells in a row, and then we come in home, we click in home, then we click on merge cell center. As you see, all the cells are merged, and we can have the personal budget in the center. Then we can take this personal budget, and then we click for the background. We check for the background. We can get it as yellow background, or select from this drop down menu to check for any color and background color. For us, we can check for no fill. Then we can even change the color of the personal budget. You click on the cell, and then you check you check for this font color. When you check for font color, the color of the text in the cell will change. For instance, you can even change any color and to become automatic. If it is automatic, it becomes to black. You can change even to other colors, green, yellow, blue, any color you need. Then after this, we can have the different features here. If you need to bold this cell, you can even click on the cell and then you click bold. You see our title is bolded. So in few, we have learned how we can increase the size of the width of the law, the size of the width of the law, of the column of the law. It's you who, depending on the data you have, it's you who use these features. We have seen what is cells, what is column, what is cells. We have seen how to name cell, that it is the intersection of row and column. We have seen how to use a slide. You can use slide. Then this is a sheet. Then the group of sheets it is what we call workbook. When you want to add a sheet, you click on this icon and click new sheet, click add. So this is a new sheet. Then the group of sheets is workbook. Then you can edit the data as you need, as you want, by double clicking, because we have seen the difference between being on the cell and in the cell. Being on the cell is like this. We are on the cell. We cannot edit the text. But when you are in the cell, we are able to edit the text. So this is the basics you might be knowing. So thank you for watching this video. You need to keep watching other videos so that you don't miss any video from my YouTube channel, Edufeeds. Subscribe and share the video. Thank you very much.